If you have issue on your iPhone 17 where you don't have a signal, or you can see SOS only over here in the top right corner where usually you have the signal, in order to solve this issue, here's what you can do. First of all, we can simply reboot our iPhone, so we can turn it off and back on. We can, for example, go to Control Center and press and hold your finger on this power button. Once you feel the vibration, you can lift it and then slide to power off your iPhone. Afterwards, of course, you want to turn it back on, and once that happens, you might be able to solve this issue. Sometimes this simple reboot can help you solve issue with a lack of signal. If that didn't help, another thing that you can do is make sure that there is no server outage or any sort of maintenance around the area of yours that you can find, for example, by either contacting your carrier or service provider, or by visiting their website if they have one, where we can check the information about servers. So essentially, if there are some outages or issues with the signal in general, then of course you cannot really do anything about it, and you just have to patiently wait until it is actually solved by the carrier or service provider. And of course, if that is not the case, because for example, if you have a signal on any other device that uses the same carrier or service provider, then of course we can proceed. And another thing that you can do in order to try to solve issues with the signal or with the SOS only problem, then in that case we can open General Settings, and over here go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. In here you want to choose Reset, and then we have Reset Network Settings. You want to use this option. After providing the passcode, you should be able to confirm that you want to reset all network settings, and this includes all settings that are related to network. So this includes Wi-Fi as well. So once you reset these settings, you will need to sign into your Wi-Fi networks again. And that's pretty much all you can do in order to try to solve issues with the signal. And oh, there is actually one more thing, but it is quite unlikely that this will be the reason. But what you can do is also check your physical SIM. So if you have a physical SIM card, and then you might want to, for example, open the SIM tray, check if the SIM card is inserted properly. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.